Good morning, all of you. Today I am taking the class of Shastri second. Today I learn Presi writing. Some days ago I have learned about the rule of Presi. One paragraph is also written. Today I take other paragraph and try to write Presi of the given paragraph. Today's paragraph is: science has made the world a better place to live in. There is almost no end to the benefits that science has conferred on us. All the same, the work of science is no unmixed blessing. It has to take up the problems of social life too. It has to work for freedom, for war, and various social and economical evils. Science can deal with these human affairs. There would be happiness and good feeling all around if we applied this scientific attitude to all our affairs, properly using science and cultivating the scientific spirit. Man can control his destiny. This is our paragraph. First of all, we count total words. The total number of words is equal to 117. Now 117 is divided by 3. It will be near about 40 words. We should have to write it in 40 words only. I write the title of the here will be Role of Science. Now we write the precis of the given sentence. Science has proved to be boon or curse. It has made life worth living. But has created same new problem. Created some new problem problems by cultivating a cultivivi cultivating a scientific attitude scientific scientific attitude and the proper use of science, man can eradicate wars and others social and economic social and economic Now count all the words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Total word is equal to 40. In this order, this is the precis of the given paragraph. Now we take second paragraph. One of the most widely spread bad habits is the use of tobacco. Tobacco is now smoked or chewed by men, often by women, and even by children almost all over the world. It was brought into Europe from America by Sir Walter Raleigh 4 centuries ago and has then spread everywhere. We very much doubt whether there is any good in the habit even when tobacco is not used to excess, and it is extremely difficult to get rid of the habit when once it has been formed. Now count it total number of words. The total number of words in it is 90. 90 is divided by 3, then it will be 20. We should have to write this paragraph in only 20 words, and there will be one title of this. What will be our title? Now its title will be TI. Title will be Habit of Tobacco. Bad habit. Bad habit of tobacco. A smoking and it will be the title. Now Presi will be a smoking and chewing tobacco that has become common to everyone, to everyone, everyone of every country, country, country is very harmful. It was brought brought into Europe from America by World 4 centuries ago. Centuries ago. Now total words will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Total